Hello and welcome back everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to hide a phone number on Telegram. So if you also do not want your phone number to be revealed on Telegram and you're looking for how to hide it, you may just look out for this video and follow the step-by-step instructions for that. So start by opening up the Telegram app on your device and you can go ahead and access your settings. For that, look out for the three horizontal lines menu in the top left corner of the Telegram interface and tap on it. And from here, once you go ahead and tap on it, you may basically look out for the settings option here, look out for the settings and tap on it and open up your access your Telegram settings like this right here. So once you access your settings, you need to look out for the option of privacy and security. Look out for the privacy and security option and tap on it. After that, once you open up your privacy and security, you need to scroll to the options and look out for the option of phone number under privacy and tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you can see the option who can see my phone number, where you can choose your audience with whom you want to share it. So you just need to select this option called nobody, or if you want only your contacts to see your phone number, you can select the option of my contacts and adjust who how to hide your phone number on Telegram. You can just go over and choose my contacts or nobody to control who can find your profile using your phone number, even if they have it. And once you confirm the details, you can directly look out for the right option, the check option in the top right, and tap on it. After you tap on it, the changes will be saved and your phone number will be now hidden on Telegram. And that's it. The- So this is how you hide your phone number on Telegram by following up these steps. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.